Who are you and what is your business called? I'm Tom Burke and my business is called Haia. What does your business do? Haia is an online and hybrid events platform with really cool features around user experience and accessibility, and some cool language features too. What has been the biggest success so far? The past few weeks, the success has been in getting really good people into the team, and that's come about because of investment we received very recently. What is the biggest challenge facing your business? So for us, it's about getting the word out into this huge new kind of virtual online hybrid events market. And we need to find ways of approaching people, and that is always quite challenging. What are your short, medium, long-term aims? Okay, so the short-term aims is to get the product to a level we're really happy with. I mean, we are happy with it where it is now, but we're constantly pushing features through. Part of our growth now is to add those features in with the new team members we've got. So that's short term. Medium term is to really get sales going over the next kind of 6 months or so to prove that people will use it, that we can sell it, and already we're kind of seeing some good results in sales. Long term aims, end of this year, potentially looking for Series A investment. Beyond that, we want to be a global player in the virtual hybrid events industry. Why do we want to join Level Up? So that goes back to short, medium, long-term aims. The key thing for us really is just to get a bit of help about sales, marketing, reaching out to people, polish up on the messages we're putting out there, and prepping us for that Series A investment. What have we gained from the program so far? So we've had some great connections there with some of the other cohort members. New friends, finding out about new businesses has been really cool, and also really good advice in terms of how to approach sales for Haia, and started to think about that kind of strategy and how we're actually working on that. So it's early days, but so far that's already kind of coming into play. What advice would you give to anybody considering starting a business? Be prepared to work for it, make sure you're passionate about what you do, make sure that it's something you believe in, and if your belief and passion is there, then that will drive you to just keep pushing, because persistence is one of the key things.